like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, welcome back to Roblox. You already know this game. I posted 3 videos of Roblox. You know, I play it night casual. And please use star code KRKU as well. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell. Comment down below if you like my videos. You can give me some tips about videos or tell me some new games. If you wanna get me to stream something or just do something or stuff, you can just tell me. Okay guys, so yes, let's just straight up get into it. Today we are gonna play Piggy again. We have played it one time, but we are gonna play it again and it will be really fun. So yes guys, I'm just joining a server, you know, Piggy Alpha Ghost Buggy, and I've shown you that thing. And also guys, you can see in the shop, I don't know if they are new traps. I do not really play Piggy that much. And yep, black hole trap and teleporter trap. I just love these both traps. You know, I cannot really get them, but from the look, I have seen some videos on them, and they are just OP. And a lot of Piggies have came into the game, like Torture, Bucket, Robbie, Billy, Ghostly, Mouse, Palace, Clown Tiger has come, and Skelly has come, and Bedgy, Ellie, Soldier. These guys are almost likely new, and we are just gonna hop into a server and let's see. Oh, it's this one. I can already see the Piggy. You can see the eyes. Mine is not loaded properly, so I'm sorry about that. It will load, but you can see that red eye. That's the Piggy. Yeah. Well, yeah, here it is. I can crouch from here. I'm really scared if Piggy comes here or something. What is that? What? What was that? What just killed me, guys? Okay. So I guess, guys, we are gonna leave this server because it's really bad. We just died and there are 7 minutes to wait. So we are not gonna really wait for that long. We are just gonna play it again. Let's go. Girlfriend Buggy. And guys, if you wanna make a series of Piggy, which I play a lot of Piggy, and get new traps, teleporter traps, black hole trap, you can comment down below. And if you want a series, you need to give 100 likes, 100 subscribers for every one of CD. Yes, then I will make a series of it. For the first video which you give me 100 subscribers, which I get it, I will make a series of it. And you can also comment down below if you want to tell me. So yeah, there you go. And Piggy is also loaded as well, so that's really nice. Oh, we are voting plant chapter. No, the house. I want the house. Oh, the last chapter it is. Are you serious? Okay, I guess so. The last chapter it is. Plant has been chosen. Can I be Piggy at least? Infection? No, dude. Never. I hate infection. Oh man, I'm not the Piggy. Are you serious? Oh man. So yes, I wish to be alone, but your memories continue to torment me. You are just stubborn as I was when I tried to save my wife. And there you go, guys. It has almost loaded. But this time I will stop you as I should stop myself. Okay. So it's starting. I have seen videos of chapter 5 and not really played it, I would say. Sorry, I think I have played it. I don't really remember. But I know where the things are a lot of. And there's Mr. P. That's the Piggy helper. Piggy's helper, and there you go. Let's take that. Yep, let's go. I know what to do in this map. So yes, that's the good part. Oh, okay. Piggy is working up. Oh. Okay, Piggy's not coming after me. That's real nice. There you go, open this, go ahead. And oh, there's an apple. I can feed it to my friend Mr. Bunny, I think it is. Oh no, Mr. George. Hi, Mr. George. Wanna eat an apple? Why not? Go, 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 go. Go, George, go. Kill the piggy. Now the George will like stun Piggy for 20 seconds. You see that up? Piggy is gone for 20 seconds. George just stunned Piggy. So yeah, that's real nice. Those are bullets. You don't need them. Open the door fast. Okay. No. Open this. You're totally not killing me, Mr. P. Okay. I think it's here. Oh my gosh, there are so many things in here. Oh my gosh, Mr. Piggy P almost killed me. Okay, stay back please, Mr. P. Please do not try to kill me. I don't think so. There, the yellow keys goes over here. I think it's like outside. Sorry, like if you know it and you're telling me and I don't know. Sorry about that. I know a little bit about this this chapter, just a little bit. That's the bad part. I don't know much, but it's still good. I think there's the red thing. He goes in the what? Piggy's camping the green area. Yeah, I guess Piggy's wearing green, so he's camping green. He should not camp, but that's called cheating. Yeah. Is there like need to use anything? Yeah. Oh my god. Where is it? I don't know where's the yellow keys go. What? Where does yellow key go? I'm sorry guys, I'm stopping you down like from getting to the yellow key, but I don't know where does it go. Oh wait a second, does the yellow key goes here? No, I don't see thing to put the yellow key. Okay, not in that room the yellow key is, as well not in the green room. I checked the red room, but I don't know if I checked it properly. Let's go ahead and check it properly again, so we know where it is. Let's go in here. Okay, go ahead and run. I will just see if there's purple, yellow key. Where's the yellow key? I think we need. There it is. Yes, finally. Thank gosh. Okay, we got the plank. Oh my gosh, I switched it like so hard.
Okay, I love you. Have a good day.
Thanks for the plank.
Cha-cha, are you up yet?
Yep, we need to use the plank right here.
Late for school?
Okay, let's take the hammer. We can escape if we try our best, you know.
Gets up and starts to get ready. Cha-cha,
Let's go over here
finishes his breakfast.
where he was camping.
Get your bag, Cha-cha. It's time to go to school.
Take it. Yeah, go ahead and take it.
Young man. Now get up.
Do we need the hammer for something else?
Mom drives him to school.
We really need the apple to like stun Piggy. That's not that important, I would say. Wait a second, did that guy just died? Oh friggin' no! Oh no, Mr. P. No. Good, Mr. P. Good. I think that guy died. I think I need to pick that up now. Let's go ahead and see. Did he die? Oh no, he did not. But now I'm going to die if I don't just keep running. Oh freaking nuh-uh. 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 Yeah, nuh-uh, dude. Totally nuh-uh. Coming anywhere close to you. Am I the last one? I think I am. Oh, the bomb is planted. Let's go. Boom. There you go. This is the ice area. Yes, we can easily escape. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, what? Oh no, our friend died.
Today is your field trip.
What do we need? Another coin?
Without you, if you don't hurry.
Hey, Mr. B, don't even think about it, Neon. Whatever your name is. No, run! Run, friend. Yes. Oh, I thought that was TNT or dynamite. That's why I was not taking it. Go ahead and take the white key. Oh, okay. Yup, guys, we can easily escape. If we keep running, we can easily escape. Oh, our friend died. One of our friends. Oh, what a clutch, guys. Did you just saw that? I'm trying my best to escape here. I'm just, oh no. Oh no. No, we were so close. So, guys, I guess we are gonna play. This was a nice video, guys. We played it and now I'm a little bored, so I'm gonna end this video here. But if you haven't, use star code KERKIO KERKIO and please like and subscribe and hit the bell. So I guess this is gonna wrap it up for this video. Bye guys.